This is everything I use for my electronics when I'm traveling, and it all fits into a 1-gallon Ziploc bag. Simple, light, cheap, mostly waterproof, and it works just fine.
Okay, now looking at this, I can see why people like a dedicated travel electronics organizer. But this Ziploc bag works okay. Definitely could use some cord wraps. My Zoleo satellite communication device is super handy and really a must-have when you're in the backcountry or in places where you don't have much cell service. Got an SOS button and allows me to use my phone to communicate with family, let them know I'm all right. Nitecore NU25 headlamp. I keep my Minix travel adapter charging block in a separate little Ziploc bag, so keeps all the pieces organized. This is a great little travel adapter. It has 2 USB-C and 1 USB-A outputs. Comes with 2 adapters, a UK and an EU adapter. Again, super handy. Slick little system. Keep it all organized in this little granite gear zip sack. This is my Flextail Zero 10,000 milliamp hour battery bank. It's pretty handy. Comes with a charging cord built right into a carrying loop. I keep a couple of dongles looped onto the charging cord, one for my Garmin watch, and the Zoleo actually takes a micro USB, so I keep that handy on there. I can get quite a few charges on it. It has a fast charge and a regular charge capability. Feels good, it's rugged, durable, water resistant. Carry an extra USB-C to USB-C charging cord if I'm charging on a wall somewhere. These are just a pair of gas station earbuds. I have a Google Pixel phone and it doesn't have an aux input, so need that little adapter. And this is a little USB-C flash drive. I think it's 128 gigs just to store any extra videos or pictures on. Keep my phone memory from getting too crowded. So that's basically all I have in my electronics kit. All just slides right back into the Ziploc bag, nice and easy. Again, I can see why people might like to have a little more dedicated travel organizer, but...
So that's everything in my electronics bag, with a few variations depending on what kind of trip I'm taking. If you have any ideas or suggestions for more videos, let me know. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe, all those things, and stay tuned for more videos from my upcoming Camino Portuguese trip.